Hi again, Rog here, and today I'm going to cook for you a real summery dish, and boy do we need it here in the UK. It has been so hot for weeks now. Anyway, let's get on with this because it's going to be a creamy pasta, smoked salmon and lemon sauce dish type thing. With these few simple ingredients, we've got here some lovely smoked salmon, some Parmesan cheese that's going to be grated. We've got some chives, fresh ones that I've just picked out of the garden, including a few little flowers. Look. The zest and juice from one lemon, some lovely creamy creme fraiche, of course some fusilli, pasta of your choice really, and round here we've got 1 clove of garlic and we're going to need some olive oil. First things first, we'll go into a pan of boiling water with a fusilli. We'll cook this as per instructions on the packet. It's quite simple really, just a few minutes to boil. We need a bit of a top up there. Meanwhile, in another pan we add some olive oil, or just a cooking oil. Add the garlic clove, which has been very thinly sliced. We'll cook this down for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's soft but not coloured. Add about 3 dessert spoons full of this lovely creme fraiche. Followed by the lemon juice. Mix this all in. Then about 2 tablespoons full of this grated Parmesan. And 2 ladles full of the pasta water. Okay, so this is now basically the sauce done. Drain the pasta. I'm going to add the pasta to the sauce, like so, and then mix this. Make sure all of the pasta is covered in this lovely creamy sauce. Then I'm going to tear this lovely smoked salmon into pieces rather than cut it. Get a mixture of sizes then. I think it probably makes it all more interesting really. Snip in the chives. Just mix them around a bit, move them from place to place like this. Then again another mix. Okay, so it's looking pretty good to me. I'm going to plate this up now. So please come and watch. Firstly the pasta sauce. Firstly the creamy pasta. Topped with the zest of a lemon. A touch more grated Parmesan just over the top there. A few more chives to add some colour. And of course, a slice of lemon. Now to try this dish. And we get a bit of everything on there, a bit of cheese, pasta, smoked salmon. Well, I must say, this certainly is a lovely refreshing pasta dish. Can you see that? Doesn't that look nice? And it does. it tastes as nice as it looks. I've got this to finish off now. This is my lunch. I hope you've enjoyed this video and this recipe. Please try it for yourself. It's dead easy, just a few ingredients really, and chives are out of my garden. So I shall see you again next time. Don't forget, please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And it's been great doing another video for you. Until next time, bye for now.